All right, I'm going to show you how to jumpstart a dead vehicle battery with just a standard regular old power tool battery. And here we have a Milwaukee M18 5 amp hour battery. And I'll verify that the battery is dead. You can see the battery level here. And here we go. So there you go, dead battery. So, I've done this once before, and what I did is I took a landscape fabric pin, broke it in half, and then pounded the end so that we can slip it in to our negative and our positive terminals, which are on the end. So I'm going to try to do this one-handed. Okay, there we are. We'll go ahead and get our cables hooked up. Red, dead. Okay. Of course, one-handed, near impossible. Okay.
So they won't last long. Grab your...
There you go. Right in the operating range. So here we go. Boom. There you have it. Let's get this unplugged as soon as possible. So there you have it. If you're ever stuck, but chances are you have a power tool battery like that and can find some kind of metal prong and of course have cables with you. It's a nice little hack. So sorry for the bad camera action, but again, one-handed, but it's totally doable. Thanks for watching.